Hello, what is up guys? I'm your host Gordon and welcome to finally another unboxing video of my latest gadget, my latest laptop, which is the HP OMEN. Okay, right off the bat, before moving into our unboxing video, first of all, the HP OMEN come with a OMEN backpack, which I personally think that it is pretty cool, and we're gonna do the unboxing right over here over this screen before we move on to the table screen over here. Yep, this is the backpack over here, pretty big. It's not your standard backpack. The unboxing experience of this is pretty much as straightforward as it can get. So right off the bat, as we can see, we got our OMEN instruction backpack, and pretty much a waterproof material over here. As you can see, it is a backpack, so you can actually, carry on behind your back instead of like the regular handheld version. So in the back, I'm gonna check it right, the good old classic on-screen unboxing style. It's red, pretty straightforward. So yeah, that's it, man. For the back, it's just really straight up normal. And at the front part, we have another waterproof compartment over here, which you can actually put your iPad, maybe some sort of hard drives and stuff. Oh, we get some papers in there, probably don't need that as well. Compartment over here, and we got another hidden compartment at the side over here, as you can see. You can put your phone, power bank perhaps, and the other side there is another hidden compartment as well. Again, you can put your phone or power bank, etc. Over here we can have some sort of a water bottle in here, the good old classic stuff. We got another zip over here. Let's see, what does it do. It actually increases the size of this compartment to put in bigger bottles if you're into that kind of thing. Not the other side. The other side, it is pretty much empty. And then we got this fastener over here. I'm not sure for what sort of reason, but it's definitely there for style. And then, by the way, this part we have two zippers. The first part I've already showed you, the part for the laptops and stuff. There is another one over here, the second level of the zipper. Yeah, this is a bigger compartment. You can put in, as you can see, you can put in your headphones. So this is a headphone compartment. This is a mouse compartment. You can see that's a mouse compartment. That's the charger compartment. So it's really pretty much labeled out for you which compartment is for what. And then this is the keyboard compartment, which is pretty neat. Okay, and then even inside here, there's I'm not sure if you can see this, there's this USB logo over here. There you go, USB logo over here for they actually list it out pretty nice for you over here. So yeah, I'm loving this bag. This might be my daily bag starting from today, which is good. So without further ado, let us move on with the unboxing of the laptop. Oh yeah, nothing is better than the good old classic top-down unboxing video over here. So as you can see, this is the box. This is the HP OMEN 15. Actually, I'm buying this computer for the sake of video editing, and as you can know, it is a gaming laptop over here. I never use it for game. I just need the 4 gigs of GTX 1050, and it is pretty much cheap, and the customer support is great. That is the reason that I'm going for HP over here. So okay, right off the box, we got this really good glossy look of the OMEN packaging over here. It says that it comes with the Bang & Olufsen audio, which is good. At the side over here, nothing special. At the back over here, they got more OMEN badass or OMEN logo with the cautions and stuff. There you go. So let's go to the exciting stuff. Let us get the box open over here. Yeah, let's open from this view, man. Should be better. Okay. Closed cell foam, which is very good for transportation. This is a good sign of high quality product. Okay, so this, my friend, is a super gigantual instruction manual, which I probably would never ever need this thing. So this, right off the bat, we can see a OMEN recycle bag. Let's grab this baby out a little bit. Oh, okay. Actually, it's not that heavy, which is a good sign. Let's put this aside. Inside here, we have all those good old charger stuff. Let us take this thing out a little bit. What's inside the box? Where's the charger, my friend? Charger should be around here. There is a box in a box. Man, HP is kind of inspired by Razer style of unboxing. Okay, pretty standard HP charger over here. To be honest, this thing looks pretty similar to the Razer Blade charger. Okay, that's good. It's really light. And then in here, we got our plugs, power plugs. Different type of power plugs, but definitely we're gonna use this because we're in Malaysia. So let us put this little box aside. Oh, I'm so excited to see how does it looks like. At first, I thought that I'm going to get a Lenovo, but when I saw the HP, I instantly fall in love due to the looks. This, my friend, is the laptop. All right, gonna start by this HP thing over here. Let's grab this baby out. Oh, holy smokes. You gotta look at that. This is not real metal, by the way. It is plastic that looks like brushed aluminum, which is cool. As you can see, this is not real carbon fiber. It is plastic made carbon fiber, which is super cool. That's the reason that I actually bought this OMEN, because at first I'm planning for a Lenovo, which is a subtle laptop, and then I take a look at the laptop of this HP OMEN. Instantly I fall in love with the aesthetics because it looks super nice of this OMEN over here. Inside, okay, it's a good sign that I can actually open the laptop with one hand. Alright, we can definitely get rid of this. Okay, so the sign of good quality is this part is actually aluminum, which is good. Not like the whole thing is plastic. We got a small amount of aluminum over here, which is the good news. And then the only bad news is that they actually highlighted this WASD, which is not my kind of thing. I prefer that they're actually trying to make this thing the same instead of highlighting this, indicating this as a gaming laptop. One of the interesting things is that they are still maintaining the good old pressing button stuff over here. The right click and the left click, which is my kind of thing. And the I/O is pretty solid in this one. It comes with a USB Type-C. It is a Thunderbolt version. This is the Thunderbolt version, by the way. I got the Ethernet, I got HDMI, mini display port. The thing that actually caught my attention is actually the separate headphone and microphone jack over here, which I definitely really need that. Seriously, my work, I need that. And the other side, we have a full-size SD card slot, which is good. Two full-size USB 3.0 slot, which is good. And then we got a power charger over here. And never forget that there's a Kensington lock over here. Overall build quality is super solid. It's really light. You can hold it in one hand with no sweat. So overall, this is a unboxing video of the HP OMEN. So far, so good. So I'm gonna make more video about this laptop, about what I like about it and what I hate about it. And I'm gonna talk about why I actually choose the HP OMEN compared to the other laptops. So yep, that is all for today, guys. Thank you for watching, and I hope you like this video. Subscribe if you haven't already, and I'm gonna see you in the next video. Adios, guys.